In this lecture, we are going to learn how to generate random numbers using MS Excel software package from popular statistical distributions including uniform, discrete, normal, T, chi-square and F. Let's start with generating uniform random numbers. First, we are going to generate uniform random numbers between 0 and 1. The Excel command for this is equal sign and then rand and then the two parentheses open and close. And if you want to generate uniform random numbers between any two numbers a and b, then the command is a plus rand times b minus a. So let's generate a uniform random number between 0 and 1 first. So put an equal sign and type r, a and d and then the two parentheses open and close, press enter. So here we have obtained a uniform random number between 0 and 1. And please note that if you make any change in the Excel spreadsheet, so this command will rerun and you will get a new random number here. So press enter. So here we have obtained 0.7. If I make a change here in this Excel spreadsheet by typing something and pressing enter, the command is rerun and we have obtained a new random number. So every time when you make a change in Excel spreadsheet, the command will be rerun and you will get a new random number here. Alternatively, you can put this keyboard cursor in any blank cell and then press the del button from your keyboard. So every time when you press the del key, you will get a new random number. So now coming to this uniform random number between a and b, let's generate a uniform random number between 5 and 10. So in that case, a is 5 and b is 10. So the command will be equal sign 5 plus rand times b minus a 10 minus 5. So equal sign 5 plus rand times 10 minus 5. You can directly type 5 as well. So press enter. So here is a random number between 5 and 10. And again you can press the del key from your keyboard. You can see that the command is rerunning and we are obtaining a new random number. Suppose your task is to generate a uniform random variable containing 10 values between 0 and 1. So in that case you can generate a serial number column 1 to make an auto list up to 10. Then in the adjacent column put an equal sign and type rand command and press enter. Copy this command downward. So you can see that we have obtained 10 uniform random numbers between 0 and 1 and we can label this column as X. Now let's discuss how we can generate discrete random numbers. We can generate discrete random numbers between a and b using this Excel command rand between a comma b, where a is the smaller number and b is the larger number. So in any blank cell put an equal sign and type rand between and then the bottom comma top. So bottom number is 0 and top is 1. So this command will generate a discrete random number between 0 and 1. Press enter. So this time it returns 1. Copy this command downwards. So now we can see that we have generated 8 discrete random numbers between 0 and 1. And if you want to generate discrete random numbers between 10 and 20, put an equal sign and type rand between 10 comma 20. Press enter. So here this time it returns 16. Just copy it down and here we can see discrete random numbers between 10 and 20. So this is how we can generate discrete random numbers within this Excel spreadsheet. So now let's discuss how we can generate random numbers from normal distribution. So if we are interested in generating random numbers from standard normal distribution, please note that standard normal distribution has mean 0 and variance 1. So Excel command is equal sign norm dot s. This s stands for standard normal dot inv inverse and then within parentheses the rand command. If we are interested in generating a random number from normal distribution with mean m and standard deviation s, where m and s can be any numbers, where s is a positive number because standard deviation can never be negative. So Excel command is equal sign norm dot inv then parentheses rand comma m stands for mean and comma s stands for standard deviation. So let's demonstrate it. Put an equal sign and then type norm dot s for standard and inv for inverse and then within parentheses probability. This rand command, which is actually used to generate a uniform random number between 0 and 1, that is actually used in place of probability. Type rand and press enter. This command generates a random number from standardized normal distribution or standard normal distribution. And now suppose we want to generate a random number from normal distribution with mean suppose 5 and standard deviation suppose 2. So we can use this command and we will replace this m by 5 and this s by 2. So put an equal sign and then type norm dot inv and then the probability, the same rand command, and after comma type mean 5 and standard deviation 2. Close the parenthesis, press enter. So this command generates a random number from normal distribution which has mean 5 and standard deviation 2. So please note that this 5 is the mean argument and this 2 is the standard deviation. So this is how we can generate random numbers from standardized normal distribution or from the usual normal distribution. Suppose you want to generate a random variable x which follows normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1. So here make a column of serial number and write numbers from 1 to 10. Now in the next column put an equal sign and type norm.s.inv and then the rand. Close the parenthesis, press enter and copy this command downward. So here we have obtained this random variable x containing these 10 values, and these values are from this standard normal distribution. So let's discuss how we can generate random numbers from chi-square distribution with some given degrees of freedom. If we are interested in generating random numbers from chi-square distribution with d degrees of freedom, so here is the Excel command equal sign chi-sq for chi-square dot inv for inverse and within parenthesis rand comma d stands for degrees freedom. Suppose we want to generate a random number from chi-square distribution with 5 degrees of freedom. So here is the Excel command equal chi-sq for chi-square dot inv and then within parenthesis rand comma 5. So here I am going to perform this. Put an equal sign chi-sq for chi-square dot inv for inverse and then the first argument is probability. For this I am going to use this rand command comma degrees freedom, and degrees freedom is 5. Close the parenthesis and press enter. This command generates a random number from chi-square distribution with 5 degrees of freedom. You want to generate 5 random numbers from chi-square distribution with 5 degrees of freedom, then you can simply copy this command downward to 5 cells. So you can cross check that the same command has been copied down. So this is how we can generate multiple random numbers from chi-square distribution with any degrees of freedom. Let's discuss how we can generate random numbers from t distribution. A random number from t distribution with d degrees of freedom can be generated by using this Excel command equal sign followed by t.inv and within parenthesis rand comma d, where d is the degrees of freedom. So let's generate a random number from t distribution with 2 degrees of freedom. Put an equal sign t.inv rand for probability and then degrees freedom is 2. Close the parenthesis and press enter. This command returns a random number which is drawn from a t distribution with 2 degrees of freedom. So if you want to generate say 5 random numbers, so you can copy this command up to 5 cells downward. Even you can copy this command in horizontal direction as well. So it's up to you whichever direction you want to move. Suppose you want to generate a random variable x which follows t distribution with 4 degrees freedom and you want to generate 5 values of this random variable x. So command to do this is equal t.inv rand 4. Now you have to copy this command downward 5 times. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this column is giving us a random variable x which follows t distribution with 4 degrees of freedom. So this is how we can generate a random number from t distribution with any given degrees of freedom. Let's discuss how we can generate random numbers from f distribution with any given degrees of freedom. Please note that f distribution has 2 degrees of freedom. In order to generate a random number from f distribution with d1 and d2 degrees freedom, here is the Excel command equal sign f.inv and within parenthesis rand comma d1 comma d2. Suppose we want to generate a random number from f distribution with 5 and 6 degrees of freedom. In that case the Excel command will be equal sign f.inv and within parenthesis this rand comma 5 comma 6. So let's do it here. equal sign f dot inv rand 5 comma 6, press enter. So this is how you can generate random numbers from F distribution with any given degrees of freedom.